In this video, I'd like to discuss manual scrap adjustments in the roll stock printing product. To begin with, let's talk about how to turn it on. If we're inside of Control, if you go to Setup and then Pricing Setup, it brings you to this screen. Down the left-hand side, you'll see a section for user constants. In the user constant categories, there's one called Universal Product Options. In that Universal Products Options, you'll see Show Custom Roll Material Values. Here, I can either edit it and tell it a yes or a no. Once we've set that to yes, if we're in an estimate and we're looking at the roll sign print product, let's, for example, say we are doing 36 by 40s and we're going to do 5 of them. Print it onto vinyl. At this point in the printing product, you'll see a Details button. If we go into the Details option, it is breaking out how it is calculating the material at this point, such as the printed area, scrap area, total area, and roll length. This scrap area is taken off the information as far as how it thinks it's going to print. So many up, so many wide, such as 5 vertical, 1 horizontal, and the calculated scrap area. This also takes into consideration the leader of the machine, if one is required. You may at some point desire to overwrite that scrap value. Such in the case is if you are doing multiple line items of all the different vinyls of different sizes and you thought you could compile them together to better utilize scrap, such as you wouldn't have the leader filled in for each one. To do that, if we go into the Details button, you have your auto rotate image for best fit, which is basically telling it how to turn the image, and then you can use the print area only option. This eliminates the initial scrap value that it thinks the product will need and allows you to override it with a specific percentage of scrap for the entire thing, or overwrite the scrap area manually. Now I'm going to come up with a print area, scrap area, a total area, and a roll length based off a 20% scrap value compared to the normal scrap value that it assumes. I hope this answers any questions on the new product detail options for printing. If you have further questions, please review the other videos or contact your implementation department. Thank you.